Well, hello, my name is Matt, and I'm part of the team here at Altais, powered by Paladina Health. Today, we are joined by one of our doctors, Dr. Margaret Simon. She's going to talk to us a little bit about how Altais, powered by Paladina Health, works, all the benefits that are available to you as a member, as well as how you can get started with using the service today. All right. Well, Dr. Margaret Simon, thank you so much for joining us today just to talk about Altais, powered by Paladina Health. To kick us off, could you talk a little bit about your background, your philosophy of care, and ultimately what led you here to practice medicine at Altais, powered by Paladina Health?
Yeah, well, I'm a board-certified family medicine doctor, and I've been practicing clinically here in the Salinas and Monterey area for 10 years now. I did my training in San Francisco and then in Salinas, and started practicing right after that. One of the reasons I'm really looking forward to working with Altais, powered by Paladina Health, is the opportunity to spend quite a bit of time with my patients. We have longer appointment slots, and we really have the chance to delve deeper into issues and really establish a solid relationship so we can work on those issues together.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I think some folks don't really, myself included at one point, I didn't really understand what a primary care doctor does. Why do I need a primary care doctor? What is their purpose? If I'm someone who's maybe used to maybe I go to urgent care when I get really sick, but otherwise I don't really have a doctor per se. What is the importance of having a primary care doctor in my life?
Well, I think everybody should have a primary care doctor, so you've been missing out. No, I like to think of a primary care doctor as your first line of contact and just like your first person that you would go to. So really, hopefully for everybody, they have a relationship with somebody who is their person that they would talk to first about any health questions or problems that they have. Primary care doctors are able to handle many of your concerns, from urgent care things like acute injuries or sore throat, things that might take you to the urgent care, but not necessarily have to be handled by the emergency room. We also are able to manage chronic conditions, many of which people see specialists for, but maybe don't need to, things like high blood pressure or well-controlled diabetes. And we have a very special interest in preventative care. So we are really up on knowing what vaccines you need and making sure that you're getting all of the screenings and tests that are recommended to make sure that you stay healthy.
All right. So Dr. Simon, this sounds really good. If I'm interested in scheduling an appointment with you or another Altais provider, how can I go about signing up for myself and for my family members if I'm interested in getting that appointment on the books?
Yeah, really easily, actually. You can sign up at my.paladinahealth.com, or you can call member services and we can get you started right away, both you and your family.
So as part of the services provided by Altais, powered by Paladina Health, we have these virtual visits, right? So patients can see you much like we're interacting now through a video visit, or they can call you on the phone through this whole thing we're calling virtual care. Can you talk about more of what you're able to do over this virtual care format? What kind of things you can treat, the types of visits you're able to have with patients just in this virtual format?
Yeah, we can actually do quite a lot virtually. So although we are not seeing each other in person and it's difficult to actually put hands on, we can get to know each other pretty well, especially when we can see each other on a video, but even on the telephone. And we can certainly manage some chronic conditions, particularly if they're stable, and we can prescribe medications and send folks for lab testing and other diagnostic testing if they need it. And we also have the really wonderful added benefit of a experienced PhD psychologist who is here for counseling purposes and able to provide mental health services to those who might like to talk to somebody during these difficult times.
Dr. Simon, can you tell me about the benefits of Altais, powered by Paladina Health, and why I would want to maybe schedule an appointment there as opposed to another primary care provider?
We have a really neat ability to provide longer appointment times for patients, and we have increased access. So if someone needed to talk to me, they could probably get an appointment with me in the same day, and certainly by the next day, and within 2 days, almost 100%. We also are available to patients who have already established with us 24/7. So if you needed to talk to me at 10 p.m. and because you had a question or weren't sure if you needed to go to the urgent care or the emergency room, or just had something that you were really worried about, you would have access to me. And I know that's not always available in other practices.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to meet you, and hope to see you soon.